In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group things in Canva. Grouping elements in Canva is a simple but powerful way to keep your designs organized and easy to edit. Whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation slide, or a flyer, grouping lets you move and resize several objects as if they were a single item. This can save you a lot of time and help keep everything neatly aligned. First, open your Canva design in the editor. You can do this from your Canva homepage by clicking on any existing design you've already started, or by opening a new template and adding a few elements you want to work with. Once your design is open, make sure you're in the main editing view, where you can see your page and all the elements on it. Now, decide which items you want to group. These could be text boxes, shapes, icons, images, or any combination of elements. The key idea is that they should belong together in your layout. For example, a headline, a subheading, and a decorative line, or maybe a logo and some contact details. There are two easy ways to select the elements you want to group. The first method uses the Shift key on your keyboard. Click on the first element you want to include. Then hold down the Shift key, and while keeping it pressed, click on each additional element you want to add to the group. You'll notice that each element you click becomes highlighted, showing that it's part of the current selection. Take your time and make sure you've selected everything you need before moving on. The second method is to click and drag to select. Find an empty area on your design canvas, click and hold your mouse button, then drag your cursor to draw a box around all the elements you want to include. When you release the mouse button, everything inside that box will be selected. This method is especially handy when you have several items close together and you want to grab them all at once. Once your elements are selected, look for the small toolbar that appears near your selection. On this toolbar, you'll see an option labeled Group. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, all of the selected elements will be combined into a single grouped object. From now on, you can click once to select the whole group and move it, resize it, or duplicate it just like any other element. And that's how you group things in Canva.